Hi, I have started this channel BTT Tutor to facilitate the students. I will make videos to help students with their assignments in various domains. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button so that you people don't miss any video. Thank you. Hi, I have started this channel BTT Tutor to facilitate the students. I will make videos to help students with their assignments in various domains. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button so that you people don't miss any video. Thank you.
In today's video, I will discuss 13 most widely Excel formulas. These are sum formula, average, count, counta, countif, concatenate, drop down, if formula, sum if, match, search, and Vlookup. To explain all these formulas, I have created a rough sheet just like this. I will start with sum formula, first formula. Okay, we want to know the total sales made on 1st January 2018. We will put formula over here, that is. Now there are two ways to make sum. Like we can make individual collections, like select this box, then this, and this, this. We got total like this. The other way that we have is sum bracket and select all these boxes, bracket, same. So choose whatever way is suitable for you. We can use same formula in all sheet by just simply dragging it. See, so by putting formula in one box we can get the result for all sheet. Now we have got 2nd January 2018 total sales, 3rd January, 4th January, 5th January, 6th January, and so on. Same can be done the other way. Simple. Now we will be moving to our other formula, that is average formula. With the help of average formula, we can get the average of some specific period. Like in this case, if we want average bracket of this period, we got 221, or we want average of this period, sorry, bracket. This way we can calculate the average of any period that we want. Similarly, we can get the average of whole period, like this whole series, this way. So it's very easy way to calculate the averages. Now we will move to our third formula, that is count formula. Okay, next is count formula. How it works. Let's get all this. Okay, count. What it does, count the number of cells in a range that contain numbers. It will tell the total of cells that contain number, and all those cells that don't have numbers, like these cells, they will not be in the total. Let me explain. If we select all these cells, bracket, There are 7 cells which contain number. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Date is also number. These two are not numbers, they are alphabets. So they are not in the total. Next, we will discuss counta formula. Okay, what counta does? Counta counts the number of cells in a range that are not empty. All those cells that are not empty will be aggregated in by this formula. Select the range bracket 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. It means none of them is empty. It This formula helps us to know if there are empty boxes in the series or in our desired location. Next formula is count if formula. Okay, what count if formula does? Count if counts the number of cells within a range that meets the given condition. Like for example, if I want to find how many times Islamabad or UK or India or Michigan are repeated in this series, then we will use this formula. For example, I will be choosing this range, okay, and I need to find out quote UK. If UK is repeated in this series or not, count if formula will help us to detect this set. Okay, it is repeated 6 times in this series. Next formula is concatenate formula. Okay, what is the function of concatenate formula? It is really very amazing formula that help us to merge two different series. Like for example, I want to merge these two series, like these are cities or capitals or states, and these are countries. I want to merge these two series. I will be using formula concatenate. Bracket. I will choose this and this. Bracket. C. Ireland, UK. Okay, if someone wants that there should be gap in between these two like between the state and the capital or state and the country, or they want comma in between these two, then what we can do is make few changes, like quote, comma, quote, again quote, comma. See, we have now space in between these two, or we can add comma in between these two as well. Remove space, put comma, simple. Our next formula is drop down formula. In fact, drop down is not a formula, it is a function that we frequently use in data entry. Like in this case, I need to create drop down here at this point. What I will do, select data, then come under data validation. list, select the source. I am selecting whatever, you can select whatever. I'm selecting this. Okay, drop down is created. That is very simple, but it is frequently used by data analyst or data record maintainers. Next is our if formula. Okay, if is a logical formula. Let me give you example. Okay, it checks whether a condition is met and returns one value if true or false. If condition is met, then obviously it is true, and not met, then obviously it is false. I will explain it with an example. In this case, I am choosing this. Pakistan is equal to Pakistan, sorry, it should be quote, okay, comma, then its capital must be Islamabad. Okay, quote. Okay, or if it is not Pakistan, then there will be some other capital. Like if it is true, then Islamabad. If not, then some other capital. Bracket Islamabad. As the designated cell was Pakistan, then capital is definitely Islamabad. If I choose same for another cell like this, I choose this, and this equals to USA, then its language must be English, otherwise it must have some other language. As this is not USA, it is India, so answer is other language. Okay, we can do same with our mathematical portion as well. If let's say this box is less than or equal to 500, comma, code, then it is bad job, comma, otherwise it is good job. Bracket, it says bad job as this is less than 500, so logically it is bad job. Otherwise if I make it 5, it says good job now because it is more than 500. Next is our sum if formula. Next formula, sum if formula, what it does, basically it makes sum, it do addition based on some condition, like here I will explain. Okay, add the cell specified by a given condition or criteria, like all those cells that meet our condition are summed up, otherwise they are not in our sum. Like for example, First of all, I have to choose range, then criteria. What is our range? Like I select this as our range. Okay, then comma, what is criteria, what we need to be our condition. I am choosing USA as our condition, and then what is our sum range. I choose this range, bracket close. Sum is 4698 for all those cells which show the sales of USA. They are summed up, like these. I think these are summed up and we get this sum up addition. Next is our match formula that is mostly used by accountants for bank reconciliation, etc. Okay, how match formula works. I will apply formula here. Match returns the relative position of an item in an array that matches a specified value in the specific order. Like for example, I need to check this value in this lookup array. Okay, next we have three options. One is less than, 0 is exact match, and 1 is greater than. We want exact match, that is why I am choosing 0, bracket. Okay, this 176 is 3 times present in this lookup array, 1, 2, and maybe some other place. So this is present 3 times in this lookup array. This is mostly used by accountants for bank reconciliations. Next is search formula. Okay, apply search formula, bracket. I'm gonna search Pakistan, comma. Okay, you have to decide the array or the range in which you need to find this word. I am choosing this range, bracket. It is one time in this range. Drag down. You can see no value, no value, no value, because same is not present. Word Pakistan is not present in this cell, in this cell, in this cell. We can see that one times in this cell, one times in this cell. As you can see, one times here, one time here. Now comes our last formula, Vlookup formula. That's very easy and very interesting. What we do is, okay, VLOOK help us for a value in the leftmost column of the table and then returns a value in the same row from an ascending order. In order to understand this concept, I will give an example. Okay, first of all, I am going to copy California. Here. Okay. Choose an lookup value. What we want to look up. I want to look up California. Okay. Now comes table array. What is our table array? I am selecting this array. Sorry. Okay. Then comes index number and lookup range. Index number. Okay. You can see 1, 2, 3 columns, so I will be putting here 3. If we add our columns, like if I add dates 2, then I will be writing here 4, but as I have 3 columns, so I am mentioning 3. Then what is lookup range? Okay, true, approximate match, false, exact match. We want exact match, that is why I am choosing 0, bracket close. 456, as you people can see that for California the sales is 456 and there is no other California in our chosen range. Okay, if I change California with England, 678 sales has changed. Or if I choose Islamabad, 324 values have changed. So these are some of few formulas that are most time of used by the users. They are very easy but bit tricky. That is why I made this video, so that everyone can use these formulas in very easy ways. Thank you.